Powered by blockchain technology, Idle Cyber is the latest RPG hero collecting game where you can make massive money. The game is still very much brand new, and getting in now is like getting into Nintendo before Super Mario Bros. Came out. And we found 3 very good reasons why you need to start playing this game that we will share in this video, so stay tuned. Idle Cyber is a revolutionary frontier defense game with a massive amount of content, infinite levels, and a PvP mode. From recent reviews, the play-to-earn model's enticing game structure and social components are what keeps gamers coming back for more. Idle Cyber has completed both the strategic and public selling phases, generating $1.5 million in total. Idle Cyber is supported by Starpunk, who offers digital NFT assets to be able to purchase one of 64 playable characters. So far, the alpha version was launched in 2021, and now the World Bosses and Market Tower Rush expansion are scheduled for release in later 2022. Starpunk, Megala Ventures, Cryptominati Capital, and Raptor Capital are among Idle Cyber's leading investors, ensuring a strong management team to make this game a leader in the play-to-earn space. So in this video, we're going to cover the story behind the development of Idle Cyber, and the in-game token, and the 3 reasons why you should get in before this new play-to-earn game explodes in popularity. Idle Cyber, in a nutshell, is to protect humanity from the evil cyborgs who attack and destroy it on Judge Day 2088. Humanity must build massive walls. Cyber defense can then be deployed to help support the walls, and battle cyborgs and giant bosses and defeat them. Due to Idle Cyber's unique social structures and in-game earning model, the fantasy world setting, the game is supported by a global fan base. Idle Cyber is developed and distributed by Bmob Studio, one of the Singapore-based Google-incubated firms. Idle Cyber is a free-to-play game. It's based on Cyber War, a classic game that's been around since the 1980s. Since Cyber War was first developed in 2020, it has gone through the appropriate steps for a gaming product that has been put on the market for commercial use. When Cyber War was already ready to hit the market, the NFT game trend, followed by the great success of Axie Infinity, and also the one who has entered in the crypto market since 2017. We researched and realized that the future NFT would become a new platform, expanding the market for the traditional game industry. Using Cyber War as the basis for an NFT game seems like a logical choice. One of the main goals of the project is to use AFK as its governance token. You can utilize AFK to improve characters, equip, and develop characters in the game. You can also play in PvP and PvE game types to earn AFK. Through decentralized exchanges or the SPO, you may acquire AFK. With blockchain development, game developers have released many very unique games that make the gaming market explode. The gaming technology industry gradually attracted many investors' eyes and became the focus of all attention. Therefore, the market capitalization of gaming in the market is awe-inspiring numbers that show how great the potential of the field is. In the future, perhaps this market will have more development steps that will surprise investors more than this. What features does this project have that make it worth looking forward to? We'll look at 2 standout characteristics that make the game unique and set to explode in popularity. To start Idle Cyber, the player must go to the marketplace and buy an Idle Cyber box to unlock the cyber, the mutants that will fight in the game. After owning the cyber, players will be classified by ranks depending on the game modes. This is common among games, but where Idle Cyber stands out is in the game modes. And that brings us to the 3 game modes that sets this play-to-earn game apart from all the others. Game modes. Number 1. Campaign or PvE. Players will be divided into 4 ranks based on the number of cybers they own. Every day the player will have several wins based on the rank. When a player wins a match, they will receive M-Idle and XP, and if the player loses a game, they will not lose their turn and continue until the maximum number of victories is reached. Number 2. Arena or PvP. Players will be divided into 4 levels based on the number of tier. Players have a number of daily battles and will be added to the number of fights based on their rank. The winner of the match is the one who can resist the attack. If both of them defeat all the cyborgs, the system will calculate the percentage of health based on the number of cyber remaining to give someone a final victory. Number 3. Grand Arena, also a PvP game mode, similar to Arena mode, but to participate, players must meet 2 conditions. Your level must be greater than 20 and possess at least 36 cybers. Each day, the player will have 1 attack turn and use M-Idle to add turns. Besides having incredible graphics, unlimited levels of gameplay, more than 64 characters, Idle Cyber provides the unique opportunity to start at the ground floor of a gaming investment with enormous upside potential. Why not join the Idle Cyber gaming community as a player and a contributor? Build valuable hero and landscape NFTs, improve those NFTs to earn even more in-game tokens, and have a blast while doing so. What do you think about investing in games like Idle Cyber? Tell us down in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more about how to make money with crypto games, you can watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.